Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Bases Loaded Lacquer Confetti Cakes. It's going to be my Easter mani. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is Bases Loaded Lacquer Confetti Cakes. This was part of the birthday duo. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. I love this buttercream yellow. And then she's got these multi-chrome flakies in it. It's just, to me, this one screamed, use me for Easter. First coat went on beautiful. Now we're going to go in with the second coat. And if my nails were really long or my visible nail line was stronger, I might would have needed a third coat. But today I'm going to go ahead and get away with two. I'm going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls because I plan on wearing it for a couple of days before I do my nail art on it. Yep, sometimes we do it like that. I am going to cap my fridge here real quick. And here is a photo of Confetti Cakes all on its own. I'll be using Uber Chic Yay Spring, TU017, and What's Up Nails B017. I've got Maniology's Coconut out today, as well as MDU Chocolate number 23, and an Old Bundle Monster 8. I'll also be using these I Love Nail Polishes, and this one is Mutang, I guess, and then we got Sinus Loop, and then Nostalgia, and Befringement. Or Refringents. I don't know. They're all beautiful multi-chromes. I'll also be using On the Black from Bases Loaded Lacquer. We're going to do some filling in today, some advanced stamping. So I have to use this little bunny rabbit. I'm going to use that one on my two accent nails, my ring fingernail and my thumb. And so I'm going to plop out two of these real quick. Kind of set them off to dry a little bit. And I was looking for a different rabbit image, but I just got tired of looking, and I just said, okay, this will work. And this is the one I grabbed. So, you know, poor planning, I suppose. Getting a little close on the time limit here. Easter's almost here. And then I'm going to use this Easter egg image on the other three nails. So I'm going to plop three of these out onto some stampers. And we're going to fill those in with some different colors. So here we go. Boom, boom, boom. And I can't believe these holidays. They just keep sneaking up on me. You know. So I'm only going to get one Easter manicure in this year. I apologize. But they just keep surprising me. I don't know what's going on, but I can't keep up. I have a calendar. I look at it all the time. I just still can't keep up. So there we've got those out. Boom, boom, boom. I am going to go in with this green. I'm going to do this on those accent nails where the bunnies are going to go. And I just wanted to put a little bit of grass, kind of like a French tip design towards the tip of the nail for my bunny rabbits to kind of be hopping out of. And to be honest with you, that right there would have been good. I'd have been happy with it. I am going to clean off my stamper on a lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone. And we're going to do this again for my ring fingernail. There we go. Bloomp. Clean it up, girl. There we go. Getting that excess up with that piece of tape. Not that it would have mattered, but that silly girl, she just can't help herself. And then we're going to line that one up and boom. See, that's pretty all on its own. I am going to go in with a piece of tape and get the excess up off of my skin around my fingernails. And now I'm going to start filling in. So I stamped that in chocolate. And now I'm going to fill it in with coconut. Chocolate, coconut. Sounds good. Give me a peppermint patty, please. So, going to fill that in. I'm using that Maniology detail brush. And I really do like it. I've still got 2 or 3 on my wish list somewhere else. So you guys might be seeing that soon. Oh, how cute. And then the eggs, I'm going to fill them in with all those duochrome, multi-chrome polishes. But once I get them on there, I am going to go over them with the black. I will show it. Just to make the duochrome pop a little bit more, since my base color is so light. So I'm going to just fill these in. And I did speed this part of the video up by 1.5 because this is some tedious stuff here. If I'd have left this video alone, it'd have been like a 15-minute video. And I just don't know that y'all really want to see it drawn out that long. And I am only showing me doing 1 of each of the images, even though I did 3 of these and 2 of the bunny rabbits. The Easter bunnies. Keep flipping it over, checking to make sure it looks good. And I'm just loving the thought behind this one. I don't know, I just wanted some, like, I really wanted tie-dye Easter eggs, but I couldn't wrap my head around it, so I decided this was the next best thing. Multi-chromes give you all those different colors. So now I'm using on the black to kind of top out these multi-chromed eggs. Can't just have no plain Easter eggs, can we? Not up here, we can't. We gotta have some bling bling, some kind of fantasticness, you know? I do hope you all have a wonderful Easter. Be safe out there if you go anywhere. We plan on just staying home, because that's what we do now. You know, it's the 2020, 2021 way of life. We get up, go to work, and we come home. So, and that'll be fine. We might color some Easter eggs. We'll see. My husband loves the colored Easter egg salad, so we'll see. Kind of a tradition. I'm going to use the Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls. This nail polish, like I said, I wore this manicure for, I believe, 3 days before I did the design on it. So that polish really, really dry. So we're going to do the tacky base just to get these to transfer well. And you don't have to have anything special. You can use clear polish. It doesn't have to be something special. So we're going to plop that on there, and I'm going to take my little cuticle tool and make sure it's laying flat, because I did have some, you know, poppage. I was trying to pop up, and I'm going to use this to kind of cut off some of this excess decal that's hanging off my nail. And then I'm going to go in with my acetone, and this is acetone that has the IMK Acid Cocoa in it. I have to tell you, I really love it. And for $1.50 a tube or a tub to put in an 8 ounce, I'm liking that. It's right in my price zone. Now, as you can see, this black nail polish that's, you know, part of my decals is smearing. So you'll see it on my pointer finger really well when it's in frame. I did get that cleaned up before I took my swatch photos, so you'll get to see it without that funky black mess all over the place. So look at that. That's just a hot mess. And this is the reason why some people don't like doing manicures like this. Me, I just gravitate towards the messy. I like messy stuffs because I know I can clean it up. Got the tools. So we're just doing our little cleanup here with the cleanup brush. You know, like the nails that just had the bunnies on them, I didn't have to do very much to them, so that worked out really well. And they didn't have the black on them, so they wouldn't have been that bad anyway. There we have it. Look at that finger, that pointer finger's yucky. I'm going to use the smudge-free top coat from Maniology to seal these in without smearing them, because y'all know I already got some smearing mess going on that I'm going to have to clean up. But I didn't want to do the design. And then I'm going to top it with the Moonshine Mani Let's Go Top Coat. And we're going to call this Easter Mani done. It's going to be finished. And I really did like it. I had a good time playing with this one. I enjoyed wearing the base polish on its own and then adding a little Easter surprise to it. So like I said, I hope y'all have a wonderful Easter. Be safe out there. Enjoy it. If you get to spend time with your family, have fun. And that is it for me today. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So there's my swatch photo. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.